Let's take it from the top.
Kylon, you are ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want. Yay. I'm finally ungrounded.
What? He is ungrounded. He did it. Wow. The parents is gonna be so happy on Stephanie Cat, right? Yeah. It's not that big of a deal. Yeah. Do it again. They're the best part, aren't they?
Yes. I ungrounded Kylon. Looky, Stephanie Cat just ungrounded me.
Yeah.
No, you're still grounded. Go back to your room right now.
Did he cry over a lot? Yes, he do.
Stephanie Cat, how could you unground Kylan? Go home right now.
Oh no! Stephanie Cat got home. Yeah. He was going to be so guarded. Let's see what happens.
ステファニー・マザー・フリーキング・キャット。ハット・ウィズ・ザ・ネタームズ・ルー。ハウプと・ユアングラウンド・経営アイラン。シーズ・A トラブルメーカー。The Agripo Picker. You are un supposito agro trouble maqué. You are Grundeg 4735 87 58 73 67 85 83 71 Liard. Go to your Ron Rignon.
Okay. Wow. Oh, okay. Thank you for watching my